Hello, soy Kiran. Bienvenido en clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to learn indirect object pronoun. So are you ready? Let's see. So as we learn subject pronoun like yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So these are the subject pronoun. In that pattern we use object or direct or indirect object pronoun. So indirect object pronoun is yo. It's yo, I, like me, me. Okay, tú, you, they. Okay, él, ella, usted, he, she, it. So we use le. Nosotros, nosotras. We use nos. Vosotros, vosotras. We use os. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. We use les. Okay. So in Spanish, indirect object pronoun are me, te, le in singular and nos, os, les in plural. Okay, how we identify the indirect and what is indirect and what is direct object pronoun? So here are the example, like an indirect object answer the question who, to, or whom for, equally what to or what for. Like I give you the example, he gave me a book, he gave me a book. So who did, किसने किया, he. किसने दिया मुझे बुक, he. Give the book to, किसको दिया, me. He and me are the indirect object pronoun. Okay, are you understand? He did, who did he give the book to, me. Okay, so these are the indirect. Can you get me a towel, you and me. Can you get me a towel, who can you get a towel and for, me. Indirect object pronoun. Okay, so in direct object pronoun we get the answer of what, like he gave me a book. Same, he gave me a book. What did he give me, क्या दिया है उसने मुझे, a book. So a book is a direct object. Okay, I saw Mandy. What did you see, क्या देखा मैंने, Mandy. What did you see, Mandy. Direct object. It is simple. Is it simple? I hope you understand what is indirect. Okay, I give the book to Maria. So what I give, a book. So a book, what is book, a direct. To whom, Maria. So indirect. Doy le libro a Maria, le. Le is indirect. Doy el libro. El libro is direct. Okay, le doy el libro. When both direct and indirect object pronoun are used in the same sentence, the indirect object pronoun comes first. Okay, so indirect object pronoun come first. Like I give it to her, I give it to her. To her replace to say and it to lo. So the sentence is le lo doi, but because of the pronunciation we use se lo doi, se lo doi. Okay, so as we learn direct object pronoun give the answer of what, like I see the dog, what I see it. Veo el perro, lo veo. Veo el perro, lo veo. And indirect we get the answer of whom, like escribo una carta a Juan, whom I write a letter. So el escribo una carta, I write him a letter. Okay, here are the complete list, like me, te, le, nos, os, les. So here the singular and next is the plural of indirect. The indirect object pronoun always goes before the direct object pronoun, as we learn. Like envío una carta a mis amigos, I send my friends a letter. So les la envío. Les, as we learn, is the indirect object plural. Okay, les, la, envío. La is used for the letter, so una carta, direct, and mis amigos, indirect. So we use indirect first, then we use direct. Okay, les, la, envío. I hope you understand. Use, say when there is a third person direct object pronoun and the third person indirect object pronoun, like lelo, lela. So because of the pronunciation we use celo, cela, celos, etc. Él compró unas pulseras a su hija. He bought some bracelets for his daughter. Él se las compró. Here the complete indirect. Él se las compró. Se las we use, not lo, las we use se las. Okay, él se las, se used for daughter, and las for bracelet. Okay, so here we learn the indirect object pronoun. So what we learn, key point, let us check key point. So first we see the Spanish indirect object pronoun are me, te, le in singular and nos, os, les in plural. Second thing we see that they can replace the preposition meaning to noun. Okay, like the direct object pronoun, the indirect object pronoun usually comes before the verb. Fourth thing we see, object pronoun are joined to the end of infinitive, kerun or verb, instructing someone to do something. Last thing is that if an infinitive or kerun follow another verb, you can choose whether to add the object pronoun to the end of the infinitive or kerun or to put it before the first verb. Okay, like we are Teresa, la vi, I saw Teresa, I saw her. Okay, respondeme, answer me, or dime la respuesta, tell me the answer. Okay, quiero decirte algo, I want to tell you something, te quiero decir algo, estoy escribiendo, I am writing to him, her, or le estoy escribiendo. So these are the order of object pronouns. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please like, subscribe my channel. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.